Is it your dream to own and drive a military vehicle? To attend at commemorations or at the numerous events with your own vehicle where collectors come together? BAIV can help you. But where do you find the military vehicle of your dreams? BAIV always has a fine selection of military vehicles in stock. From medium to heavy trucks, armored cars, half-tracks and even tanks. Find the one you love and you will be driving your military vehicle within weeks. On a regular basis, BAIV also organizes military vehicles, parts and equipment auctions. In this respect, we are a specialist in discovering and selling historic military vehicles. Besides that, some collectors who want to slink down their collection ask BAIV for support. Often this is also very delicate. The international market requires specific permits, transport, and of course also the payment needs to be guaranteed. That is why we are able to offer a wide range of unique military vehicles at our auctions. Recently we organized an auction in Belgium. Let us hear what Ivo Richters tells us about the auction on the Belgian television.
Er staan GMC's, luchtafweergeschut, halftrack, jeepje, kraanwagens, een hoop onderdelen voor voertuigen Tweede Wereldoorlog. Er staat nog een DAFje, er staat nog een Reo, er staat echt een hoop, dus een hele ware collectie eigenlijk, bijna een museum.
Een van de topstukken is de GMC kraanwagen, een absolute zeldzaamheid. Tot dinsdag loopt de veiling.
Are you searching for a specific or rare military vehicle? Ask BAIV to find your dream. We have contacts all over the world with collectors of military vehicles, museums and defense disposal organizations in several countries. If anyone can help you succeed to find your dream vehicle, it is BAIV. Live your dream and let BAIV help you realize it.